So easy stuff today. Today we are going to subtract fractions, mix numbers by regrouping. I touched on this with you a little while ago, but we're going to talk about it a little bit more. And when I kind of talked about it, if I remember correctly, most of you pretty much understood it anyway. So we should be in good shape here. So we are going to do 3 5/8 minus 1 7/8. And we can't. At least as it's written, we can't do it. Anyone have a clue why we can't do it the way it's written?
3 5/8 is the fraction.
All right, so the numerator in the first one is smaller than the one in the second one, right? All right, so we have to what's called regrouping. We have to keep the fraction the same thing, but we have to reword it, renumber it. So what we're going to do is I'm going to borrow 1 out of the 3, and I'm going to stick it right here. Okay? So that's going to change my 3 to a 2. Now I'm going to take 1 out of that, and I'm going to put it with the 5, but my 1 has to have a certain shape to it. And that shape is going to be 8 over 8. Why 8 over 8? Because 8 over 8 equals what number? 1. That's where my 1 comes from, and it's the same as my denominator. That's why it's 8 over 8. I didn't pull 8 out of 8 from behind your ear. It was this. That's the one that works because of the denominator. So that's gonna. If I add 8 and 5, I get. Anyone? 8 plus 5? 13 over 8 minus 1 7/8. And 13 minus 7 is?
6.
6. So I get 2 6/8, which I can reduce. I can divide 6 and 8 by 2.
Did you get 1 6/8?
Oh, yes, thank you for correcting me. Another mistake. Bonus for you, 1 6/8. I wasn't thinking, I just looked at the 2. Forgot to subtract the rest. Common way to get a problem wrong, and I did it. 1 6/8, so we reduce 6 over 8. What do we get?
3/4. 1 3/4.
Okay. 1 3/4, because you divide 6 over 8 by 2. Was thinking so far ahead, and then I made a mistake, and I appreciate you fixing me. Extra credit to you. Yay. Let's do another one. 83 1/3% minus 41 2/3%. So, what do I need to do? Somebody tell me what I need to do.
Take a 1 from 41.
Not from 41, that's my second one.
83.
Yeah, take the 1 from the 83. We'll change that to 82. And we put it in here, so that's going to be 3 over 3. So 82 4/3% minus 41 2/3%. 82 minus 41 is
11.
come out. All right, so before we were rudely interrupted, excuse me, we weren't rudely interrupted. Before we were interrupted, we were on our way to finishing this problem by subtraction. So let's subtract. What's 82 minus 41?
11.
False.
What?
What's 82 minus 41?
41.
41.
11.
And 4 minus 2 is 2. See, at least you made the mistake.
No.
I take my extra credit back. All right, so 41 2/3%. I give my extra credit back for that. Yay. Save that extra credit from a fate unheard of. Just kidding. You can keep it for now. 6 minus 1 3/4. All right, this one's very straightforward. But just to show the work involved with this, let's change 6 to a different shape. 6 could also look like 5 and 4/4. Because 4/4 equals 1. So 5 and 4/4 minus 1 and 3/4 equals what?
11.
Wow. You don't even have extra credit I could take for these, so I'll just take normal work for me.
He's never gonna live that down.
Alright,
5 plus 6.
4 and 1/4, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so that's just pretty standard, pretty straightforward. That's all I'm going to say with that.